This tutorial is going to help you learn how to create effective Google Ads step by step. And we basically help you choose the right campaign that will help you increase conversions, make money, scale your business, whether you're selling digital products or you want to scale your business online. So I'm going to take you through my Google Ads account. All right, so come in, let me just take you to my Google Ads account and teach you how to create Google Ads for the first time, step by step. So as I say, this is Google Ads. If you go to Google Ads, this is what you see. It's basically Google Ads landing page, right? So if you have not created your own Google Ads account, you will have to click on start right here. But in my case, I will just click on sign in. And then because I have various Google Ads account, I'm going to click on the Ads Targets Google Ads account. All right, I am in here. And of course, as you can see, there is no specific campaign that is running, and I wanted to show you how you can start creating your Google Ads campaign. And let me just explain, campaign could have multiple Google Ads in your campaign, and we want to create the first Google Ads campaign. And when you click on create campaign, they will ask you for your objective. So this is what you want. Okay, are you going to click on sales to create sales campaign leads? You have website traffic, you have app promotions, you have awareness and consideration, you have local store visits, because Google give you the flexibility to choose the type of campaign you want or you need. All right. But in this specific video, as I told you, I'm going to teach you how to create Google ads that are going to be effective, that will not just waste your budget, but will truly make you money. So we're focusing on sales. Okay. We want to drive customers that will be able to buy, not just to see what we have or what we are selling or our services, but we want people that will buy. So we click on sales. And because again, I have my conversions already created, you will need to create your conversion tags, integrate your website with Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics for Google to understand everything about your website and your business so Google can help you. And this is going to be a brief tutorial, okay? So now you have to select your campaign type. We have various campaign types. We have performance max. We have shopping for people who have, Shopify store or other stores that says products. You have demand chain, which could be, demand and conversions together. It will go with YouTube, basically display networks, and then you have search, you have display, you have videos. I am going to click on search because we want people who are looking for our products or services, and we're going with search. We want our ads to be displayed on Google search. So when people search on Google, they can be able to find us. And we're going to click on the visit website. So here we're going to put our either landing page, which I always recommend, or you can use your website. And in this case, just for the example, I'm going to use Ads Target. And why I'm using Ads Target is because I want to make this process very easy and to show you how you can be able to do this. So now we have to name a campaign. I would say Ads Target add one ads. This is, I would say add. So I give my campaign name and I will click on next. Now, Google is going to ask me to choose my bidding. All right. So again, to keep things very simple, I'm going to just select conversions. I want to specifically target audience that are going to buy from me. I don't want to just show them. I'm looking for customers that will buy from me, which is why I'm choosing conversions. Conversion is the goal here. I want conversions. Okay. So you can set a specific amount that you want to spend on your conversion. I can set 10 per customer that I want them to buy from my store, or I can simply set 20 depending on how much I want and how much I am willing to spend per customer. Now you can either just leave it the way it is, and you can also adjust customer acquisitions down here if you choose to, but that's not what we're going to do now. I am going to click on next to take me to the next level. Here you can choose either your territory, so your country, or the particular type of location you are going to target. And I'm going to come down here and I will say select a particular location. It's always better for you to choose one particular location per ad. You can use multiple countries, that depends on your campaign goal. I am going to choose United States here specifically, and you can also exclude some of the countries or places where you don't want your ads to show. Right now, that's not what we're going to do. We will do that in the next campaign, where I will show you how to be able to target a specific group of audience and not others. others. Okay. So then you choose your language, and then you say your campaign do not have EU political ads. You choose this political ads. It's a policy that Google want to know if your campaign is going to be EU political ads. So here, Google have done a great job. They have this AI powered performance platform that can basically just go through your website. In my case, because again, I have my website integrated with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. I have all my conversions created. Google know my website. They know exactly what I'm looking for. So if I click next, they will take me to this page where they basically have what makes your product or services unique. They will kind of have the description for me. And if I click on generate, they are going to go out there and look for all the headings that, best match my campaign goal, my campaign, or the descriptions because of what I have. They put all these images because I've run Google Ads here. They have all the site links, everything already done for me because again, I have been using Google Ads and they know my website. So it could be your landing page and you may manually have to do this. But again, this is just to show you the process. So you click on next. Here you will have to set your budget and you can set a custom budget if you want to spend only $10 per day. You can do that and just click on next. Now, when you click on next, Google is going to check for errors. As you can see, they're checking for errors and they would let me know if there is something wrong with this particular campaign. If not, I can simply come here and click on publish right here. So when I click on publish, Google is going to publish that particular campaign and they will start showing that campaign. Now, what I recommend is you don't have to leave it here. You have to come back either 24 hours later to see what is working so that you can start optimizing your campaign based on keywords, adding negative keywords, adding the either phrase or exact match keywords, and removing the broad keyword match that it is right now. You just allow Google to use this to kind of attract some audience so you will understand your type of audience and then Google will be able to help you or you will be able to every day come in here and optimize your campaign to get the best results. So basically this is how you create Google ads and it's as simple as what I've just done. And of course there are other processes to help you get more value from your ad spend, which I'm going to take you through once this campaign start running and start bringing out results. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe. All right. And I will see you in my next video.